In this video, we will show you how to make this beautiful slide using background video in PowerPoint. So watch the video till the end. Go to Insert, click on Shape, select Rectangle, drag it like this. Go back to Insert, click on Picture. Here, I have downloaded picture from Google. Select and insert it. Shift to the left side. Go back to Insert, click on Shape, select Circle, drag it like this. Select both, go to Merge Shape and select Fragment. Click on Outside and delete this shape. Click on right button, send to back. Go back to Insert, click on Video. Here I have downloaded video from Google. Select this video and insert it. Send to back. Go to Playback, select Start Automatically and click on Loop until stop. Select Shape, click on right button, go to Format Shape, go to Fill, click on Gradient Fill. Go to Format, Shape Outline, make it no outline. Whatever PPT you are creating, highlight information here. Select this, go to Animation tab, apply Fly-in Animation. Go to Effect option, select from right. Also increase the duration size. Go to Animation Pane, go to Timing, click on Effect, increase Smooth End Size, then OK. Select and click on Animation Painter and apply on this and increase delay size. Select Start with Previous. Now let's go to full screen. So look how beautiful your animation looks. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel and share with your friends.